Hello IICDC. I am Rishabh from team Halo Vision, and here I am with our technical plan of our project named Drishti. So without wasting any time, let's move on. Coming to research to realization and what our project is dealing with. Our objective is to enable visually impaired people and non-attentive pedestrians to navigate through obstacles by a non-intuitive method of muscle simulation of sartorial muscles. Smarter, real-time decisions are made using computer vision techniques and distance sensors. User can also navigate from one point to another using Google navigation. The platform which you are seeing on my right side is the progress and plus a final platform which we have made uh, during the period from the last video submission to this video submission. So we have created our app and a platform to use our device so that a particular user can use it very efficiently without any problem. Coming to case studies and research, our product mainly focuses on helping blind become self-reliant and independent when it comes to navigating through busy roads, crowded streets, and tough terrains. This survey was taken by My Voice, which records the difficulties and expectations of blind clearly show their inability to use today's technology. Even while holding an automated cane, while commuting tasks, they find themselves prone to hatred crimes. Even road accidents have such a trend in past years. If this is the case for pedestrians with normal eyesight, these tactics raise a major problem on safety of visually impaired on the streets. Our product aims to reducing this threat. Death rates from road traffic accidents by country per 1 lakh inhabitants by world map is clearly shown in the given diagram. Coming to major navigating platforms that are out there are lakh short paths that are either undetected by satellites or are seasonal paths that are only usable during some seasons. These routes may be shortest and most suitable routes while navigating through tough terrain. Still, major navigating platforms currently which have made for the blinds or for the normal people are not recommended just because they don't have a great database. Even coming to Google Maps, they are having a good AIML model, but still they are having lack of the proper and exact data points in their database. So the observation and recordings of our product can be sold to those big data clients. Coming to feasibility, the major technology used in our product is first time real time object detection using the YOLO architecture, which can be done through various pre-trained models available over the internet along with some proficient proximity sensors. Till now, we have detected objects in real world in real time and simulated legs of people to move them avoiding of obstacles. We did this by using a muscle simulator. It is used by various fitness trainees and in medical sciences for simulating muscles, which shows that it is really a safe one. Even for contracting and relaxing them outside their body to relax muscles, these simple simulation methods are used. But here we are using those simulation methods to control a blind person so that he will never hit by an obstacle. We are doing nothing here. We will use this technology to control the muscles, and through the control of movements of leg as per our model, we will avoid the obstacle. And there are many muscle efficient muscle simulator are available in the market, which works very precisely on the target nerves. And here sartorial nerves are our target nerves.
Obstacles. So what is the design innovation? Our project intends to solve a very basic problem faced by visually impaired people, that is navigating through struggles. As they don't have visual input from the surroundings, so they cannot take any non-intuitive decision.
In order to solve this problem, we are providing a computer aided navigation system which can analyze visual input, take decisions, help the navigating through electrical muscle impulses. You can see in this video like one of my teammate is using this simulator and very easily it can pass through the obstacles. So multiple cutting edge technologies like IoT, machine learning, artificial intelligence we have used in our system. And as you know, one of the biggest pre-trained data set available over there, which is YOLO data set, which we have used in our design to detect the system. And you can see the accuracy is also a pretty good, the things which we are using in our model. So with the aid of the powerful TI components like BeagleBone, lidar for greater range of distance circulation, and YOLO train model for object detection, along with efficient muscle simulator together, give the ultimate power and performance along with the compact size of our product. So you can see this is the really a market ready solution. So by using our own design PCB, the final product will be of size of a really a small smartphone, and it will be easy to use it and wear it. It will be highly scalable from it. Along with this platform, as this is the second phase of our solution which we have already computed, with this app will help them to control our device, and proper guide and customer support will be given to the particular user. Now let me show you how we are doing judicious use of electronic parts and innovative choices are made. Real-time obstacle detection. It consists of the following two parts: a dynamic obstacle detection using computer vision. TMDSCN M52X camera module is used to detect a dynamic obstacle, analyze and send data to BeagleBone microcontroller for dynamic obstacle detection using computer vision technology. Distance calculation using ultrasonic sensors are made using the IC given by Texas Instruments. Distance of obstacle from user is sensed using TIDA00151 ultrasonic sensor, which is interfaced through the data and it is sent to BeagleBone. Switching mechanism and muscle simulator are used using the EC0738 relay module. Further, the relay controls the electrodes of the electrical muscle simulator. GPS navigation, we have used the technology for the navigation. User can navigate from one point to another using GPS assistant. The data collected by encountering obstacles again and again can serve big data clients and help in increasing their precision of the maps, such as Google Maps. And you can see this is our apps UI, which will be not visible to the blind person, but it is having a voice integrated chatbot which will tell everything to the blind person while using our product or service, and 24 hours customer support will be there. So these device will be given, this mobile phone will be with the installed app will be given to the blind person, and he or she can control this phone using his just voice. I will show you the demo. Coming to innovation of our proposed solution, our idea is surely and innovative, as we are providing an interface between intelligence of a computer and the human nervous system, especially motor neurons. Here we are providing a microcontroller by Texas Instruments as an alternative for the brain to process visual data and take decisions accordingly. We are also providing intelligent artificial to the device, due to which it can learn and do the job better than the previous one. So this our particular platform. We have made a particular platform for our device in which user can visit and extract all our feature of the device. For example, we have made the introduction. If you want to purchase, you can purchase now. Even if you want to contact some NGO or some hospital for that, you can contact them too and learn more. You can also have a video demo of that. Like you see, we are also having a video demo ready that how you can use the device. So we have also given the features, the particular key features, which is use F1, how it is working, why it is fully effective, and why it is a simple setup. Okay, so these are the particular features so that our end user can use our product very carefully. Along with we have made a particular app with a particular voice assistant. Then obviously a particular blind person cannot operate his or her phone, so we have made a chatbot application in which you just need to press the volume down button two times and you need to speak the destination. Okay, so a chatbot and voice support is there. If you are facing some issue in between, you can just is access our support, and then a particular support will be given to that particular user. Along with the product awareness, we have integrated to the what our product is for, what is our business model. So yeah, the rating, we will also gathering the rating, like how our product is liked by, how much our product is liked by a particular user. We are also collecting the data to increase our accuracy. Along with we have also so this will be a kind of UI. So this is a kind of particular platform which we have used. So like we will be also establish some government medical schemes. Like if we are we're trying, if we have tied up the with a particular nearby government hospital, then you can visit nearby hospital where our devices can be you can buy you can have our device with the proper precaution from the nearby government hospital. Okay, so you, if even you can buy, so like you can approach some NGOs. We will be also providing a device to some NGOs also. So and bionic firm companies, like the data generated the data generated of the blinds will be can be sold to big data that is involved in the navigation and mapping, such as Google. So they can also access our platform. Okay, so same as with big data clients like Google and Here Maps and Microsoft, they can view our they can be our clients confirmed. So this is a particular platform which we have made for the support and for the whole product demo. So you can also have a we can also plan a visit demo at the user's home.
Welcome Rishabh. Searching devices. Connecting. Device connected. To hear again any instruction, just say repeat. Ready to navigate. Let us know where you want to go.
लोहरा बीर वाराणसी
Lorabir, Chauraha is about 5 minutes away from your current location. Say OK to proceed, or speak another location where you want to go.
ओके
GPS data is being sent to connected device. Server active. GPS checked. Muscle simulator checked. Camera checked. Distance sensor checked. Everything is okay, we are ready to go. There are almost 82 obstacles in the pathway. In case of any help, press and hold volume button and ask your query. We are continuously connected with you over voice.
वेयर एम आई
You are near Ramkatora, 4 minutes away from your destination.
So coming to hardware execution, we are using a camera module by Texas Instruments, which is used to detect dynamic obstacles and analyze and send data to the BeagleBone microcontroller for dynamic obstacle detection using computer vision technology. After that, actuation of legs according to obstacle and distance from it is done by distance calculation using ultrasonic sensor. Distance of obstacle from user is sensed using TIDA00151 ultrasonic sensor by Texas Instruments. In interfaced, data is sent to BeagleBone Black. The data from above to sent to BeagleBone Black and is analyzed using previously trained algorithm of computer vision. and signal is sent to actuation mechanism. We have integrated LiDAR for better performance. After the distance calculation, we are also using LiDAR, which will be make a 3D space interface for better accuracy and range of obstacle distance, and data is sent to Beacon Bone Black. We can also avoid stairs or surface potholes using LiDAR technology. By using LiDAR, we are able to detect stairs and potholes on the surface and avoiding them, compacting the overall product up to a size of a smartphone. We are using our own personal PCB designing, and you can see the muscle simulator which we are using is like a small ear. So coming to the resolution, the system would be later convert into a portable wearable so that people can walk carefully even when they are non-attentive. For example, if they are using their smartphones, the data collected from the device can be sold to big data clients such as Google so that they can enhance their maps by adding the obstacle details also. Increasing the stability and accuracy of machine learning model will be a resolution for the future scope. For verification and validation, test plans instead instated in development or planned for future. We have tested a prototype on a person as a smart wearable and got positive feedback from him. It's working as expected with some minute difference which we will rectify further. You can see in the customer reviews of our platform section. Behavioral traits of preservance and protectiveness noted. Our solution can prove to be very helpful for visually impaired people. We've also did a survey on the real blind peoples, in particular small village hospitals, navigating on their own uh, without any human assistance will surely boosted their confidence and made them self-dependent. They can take part in more activities which are restricted by the normal impaired vision, and this will gradually bring them to mainstream. The voltages that we are using for electrical impulses are less and physiotherapists verified, so it is totally harmless for the body.